Are you getting the "your clock is behind" error on your Samsung Galaxy phone? Well, no more worries. Here's how to fix the "your clock is behind" error on your phone. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your internet is stable. After that, try the following guides. Solution 1. Turn on Wi-FiScan throttling. First, open up the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Developer Options. Next, scroll down a little bit. Find the Wi-FiScan throttling. Now simply turn it on. Solution 2. Turn on automatic date and time. Go to Settings again. Scroll down. Find the General Management option. Then tap on it. Next, tap on Date and Time from here. Here is the automatic date and time option. Simply toggle it on. After that, go ahead and check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, follow my last solution. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Go to Settings once again, scroll down a bit, then tap General Management. Now scroll down again, then tap Reset. Scroll down once. Now tap Reset all settings. Next, tap Reset settings. Again, tap Reset. Wait for a while. So folks, hope your issue is solved now. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in.